Welcome to Polished Humans. Today we are talking about how to hire influencers on Instagram to promote your business. Influencers on Instagram have a lot of social power and trust, which is one of the most important ingredients for success in business. However, building your own Instagram account takes plenty of time and can be very difficult and tedious. Luckily, you can hire influencers from just $10. But how do you find an influencer in your niche? And where do you get information about the demographics of their followers? The best way to hire an influencer is through a platform, and one of the best is Shoutcart, which I have linked in the description for your convenience. Shoutcart allows you to browse various influencers according to category, as well as showing you vital data such as how many followers do they have, the pricing, and how you would like the influencer to promote your business on Instagram. Via the influencer, you can advertise a link to your website, a specific product, or even your own Instagram page. This is a great way to start making sales and build an audience. Some influencers have millions of followers, giving you maximum potential and reach. Another related way of advertising is by means of solo ads. You can hire people to advertise to their email list. Email marketing is one of the best and most effective forms of advertising. The platform by which you can achieve this is Udimi, which I have also linked in the description. You can get great results by using solo ads and make direct sales in no time. However, although paid advertising is the most effective, you should also look at free ways you can promote your business, such as getting organic traffic from Google. This does take time, but it is really worth it. Another strategy is that you can use Shoutcart and Udimi to build your own audience. This means that instead of promoting a specific product or make a sale, you are actually hiring influencers to build your own email list or social media page. This requires that you have a professional business Instagram account. You then want to ask the influencer via Shoutcart to ask their followers to follow your Instagram page. This is a great way of building your own audience whom you can market to repeatedly.